Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've started a new Budgie vlog. If you guys want to find it, it's in my playlist section. So far, I have 7 vlog videos under that playlist, so go ahead and check them out. Like and subscribe to the channel. I release daily content as best as I can. I'm just on the tail end of my finals at school, and so good luck to all you college students that are taking your finals. Persevere and pass. So, anyways, today I'm going to be teaching you guys or giving you guys a little training session. This will be how to get your budgie to trust you and to actually fly to your finger. So, in some of my other videos, I mentioned that you really need to bond with your budgies. You need to gain their trust. You need to basically be accepted into their clan, or because they are a flock type of bird, so they really need to be socialized with their clan. They really enjoy playing. Getting out of the cage is like their exercise time. I've had these budgies almost for about a week now, and they've already adapted to their new home. They've been eating their meals consistently. I still kind of have them on the spray millet, but not as much as a treat anymore. It's more of like for training now. So anyways, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to teach you guys how, and by the way, these budgies, they've already been trained. They've already been introduced to my finger. So, but I haven't been able to get them to step up yet. I guess the first lesson I went through was having them fly to my hand because I held the millet in my hand, so they would fly over to me. So the one that's really flying crazily and all over the place, her name is Puyo with a U, and the other one over there is Pollo with the O. So Puyo and Pollo. Let me go ahead and open up their cage, and I'll show you what I mean by when they fly to my finger. Hang on, Pollo. Hang on. Hang on. Watch your feet. I don't want to hit your foot. Okay. So now that the cage door is open, I'm going to stand at a distance, and Pollo should fly to my finger. Pollo, want to come out? Come on, Pollo. Just give her a moment. Pollo, come here. Come here. Good girl. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Come on. Go back inside your cage. Okay. Ready? Fly. Pollo. 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 She has to see me first. Pollo. Pollo. Come on. Come to me. Good girl. Good job. Also, sometimes she'll come and fly right to my shoulder too. I didn't really quite teach her that, but I guess she got that as a natural instinct. So this only took really pretty much maybe 2 or 3 attempts, or 2 or 3 times out of the day, and she got used to my finger really fast. So I'm really proud of her, and I'm glad that they're gaining my trust as their owner, and I really hope to just influence, give you guys tips on how to care for your budgie, how to train them to be just trustworthy to you, and happy budgies. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.